Hi, my name is Cynthia Graham, and I have been coming to Carfix since 2005. I think they opened in 2005, so we've been around since then. My favorite thing about Carfix is that on our first visit, we felt like family. They have a great staff, they have great mechanics, they have a great team in the offices, and never once did I think or feel that I was being taken advantage of, because you can go places to get something done and you're like, wait a minute, I didn't think I needed that. So you really felt like they were family, and I've never gone anywhere where they know your name when you come in. Now note, we've got several vehicles, and you know, we should have part stock in them probably, because at some point we had, I don't know, 10 or 12 vehicles at a time. And no matter who came in, my son Amori or my oldest Derek or John or I, they always knew our name. Even the new guys, you know, and I'd be like, who are you? But that's what sets them apart, their customer service and their reliability. Anything they work on, you know, if something happens, we can call them. And at some point, we probably needed a ride and they came and got us. That's how much they care about their customers.